This is Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
Good morning. Here's your cruise news for Friday, January 31st. A Minnesota man faces a $47,000 infirmary bill after being treated for flu aboard a Norwegian Cruise Line ship. Mike Cameron and his girlfriend won a free Caribbean sailing on Norwegian Escape, but were shocked when the cruise line's infirmary charged 2 credit cards to cover his care, leaving him with a $21,000 balance. Now, the couple did have travel insurance, but coverage issues have delayed the payment. Cameron's primary health insurance has declined coverage because the treatment was not in North America. NCL told Fox 9 Minneapolis that its prices are competitive to other cruise lines and that they are reviewing the charges. A good reminder to always read your travel insurance policy carefully. And Carnival Sunshine is entering its 3rd week in dry dock over in Marseille, France for maintenance and upkeep. The ship is undergoing routine updates, including hull cleaning, a fresh coat of paint, and system checks, but no major renovations are planned. The vessel will return to service on February 16th, sailing an 8-night Eastern Caribbean cruise from Norfolk, Virginia. Sunshine will sail to the Bahamas, Bermuda, and Canada, New England itineraries from the mid-Atlantic. And speaking of Norfolk, they are investing $12 million to upgrade its Half Moone Cruise Terminal as Carnival Sunshine moves there year-round. The Norfolk City Council approved the project with Phase 1 set for completion by February 11th, just ahead of the ship's first sailing. Improvements include a new waiting area and easier debarkation. Phase 2, which is expected by next year, will enhance safety and pier logistics. The city expects over 300,000 passengers annually, generating nearly $19 million in economic activity. And the photo of the week comes from MJ, Odyssey of the Seas, docked here in San Juan, Puerto Rico. Beautiful day, beautiful picture. You can send yours in, photos@cruiseradio.net. All photos are subject to broadcast. And cruise stocks were up on Thursday. Carnival Corporation up 2%, 28.49. Royal Caribbean up 2%, 274.79. Norwegian up 2.1, 29.07. And Viking 51.69, up 2.8%. If you have a lead on a story, let us know. Tips@cruiseradio.net. Have yourself a great weekend. I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today.